Psychology is the study of human behavior and mental processes.
Psychology is we do a lot of fun activities and projects that help the students be more engaged.
A lot of good study habits that you can learn throughout this class that can help you within AP Psychology.
My favorite thing about psychology is being able to do group work and just being able to talk to others about what they think about the class.
And my favorite thing about psychology is learning more about the brain and learning more about people.
My favorite thing about AP Psychology is when we study the approaches, which are all right there. And the approaches are really important because they help you understand how people think in different perspectives, like cultural perspectives, cognitive approaches, then psychodynamic, and then humanistic and behavioral. Like all of those are different approaches that are really good to understand if you want to understand how to communicate with other people or how to just better understand someone in general.
I think the most valuable thing learned is how the hippocampus works in your mind, because it's supposed to help with memory and how you remember certain things. So if you work on expanding your hippocampus, then you can have better memories of certain things.
The most valuable thing that I've learned so far is the mnemonic devices. They are great study tools. I apply them in many of my different classes, and it helps me study and it helps me remember things better so I can pass easier.
Psychology is a good class to take if you want to have a career that involves working with people or understanding human behavior.
Reasons why I think you should take psychology is because it's helpful with other classes that you often take in high school, and it can help you correlate other classes together.
I think that's a good AP class just because you get to learn more about human behavior. You get to learn all these cool facts and things, and it's very interesting. You want to dive more into it and you get very invested easily.
Something valuable I learned is how to understand the emotional aspects behind the psychology and how the mind works, and to better help me understand my emotions and others' emotions.
I think something valuable I learned from taking AP Psych is the reason why people do things that they do, or stuff about behavior.